How's it going? This is Anthony from Training Talent Truth, giving you 5 tips for beginner runners. Number 1 is the importance of diet and sleep. Sip water the night before and all day of a run. Get good quality food for decent energy and at least 7 hours of sleep. Number 2 is running form. Slightly lean your upper body forward when jogging. Moderately swing your arms. Breathe through your nose when possible. Land on the mid to front part of your foot. Ease off the pace for distance. Number 3, be well prepared. Get Brigo running gear, a good pair of runners, a pair of wireless earphones, and a good playlist or podcast. Number 4, monitor your heart rate. Any smartwatch will do to gauge your current effort level. And number 5 is prioritise it. Make time, not excuses.